Great day. Welcome to another episode of Things and Stuff. I am your host, Ja.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff.
And as always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. And today, we got one. We are going to review a couple of must cops. And when I say must cops, I mean really high on the must cop list. And I'm talking about none other than the Run the Jewels Dunk Pack. Yes, there was a high and a low, and I was able to secure them both. And I'm super excited to not only have them in hand so I can go ahead and put them to the toe, but also so I could bring them to you. Special announcement. Listen, man, a couple of videos ago, we celebrated, with the Milestone Mafia crossing 50. Absolutely, appreciate everybody. And we on our way to 100. We are right there, almost there. About to get into 100, so I'm gonna do something I don't normally do, which is to ask right now, like, comment, and subscribe. Normally I wait to the end because I feel I have to earn it, but right now we are so close, and I want the Milestone Mafia to know that we out here moving. So we that close to 100. Go ahead and help your boy out with the subscribe. I promise you I won't let you down. I work hard to make sure every single one of these videos is better than the last. So you getting up on here right now. By the time we get to 100,000 subscribers, trust me, I'm going to be known as the best to do it.
And that's on period.
And I'm trying to tell y'all, when I heard the rumors of these dropping, it was an automatic.
I had to get it.
As SB does every 420 to celebrate the holiday. And obviously SB Dunks are cool, but SB Dunk
on weed?
Even cooler. See, me personally, I am a massive fan of Killer Mike. So obviously I'm a fan of Run the Jewels by proxy. So when I tell you, man, I'm going through everything trying to get these, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for raffles. I mean, I had searched for early pairs. Early pairs were going for the dumb high, so that was just not gonna happen. I ran across this one IG page, a dude, Witty, and he was just posting up pictures, and raffles and everything else. And I'm thinking he's like some type of super fan or something like that. Maybe, like Run the Jewels or maybe SB Dunk fan. Right, so I'm following his page because he got all the raffles. Think about a couple of days before the drop, as Sneakers App does, they put out, the behind the designs. I'm watching the behind the designs.
I'm up in the motherfucking Woo-Wear store. Motherfucking news flash came on showing the whole shit.
And who pop up? This dude Witty. He come to find out, like, he the dude that designed both of the sneakers. Right? So, I did let him know, like, hey, once I get these in hand, I'm gonna do a dope review for him. So, pressure's on. I'm saying we make diamonds around here. We don't bust pipes. You feel me? And I entered, like, at least, every single raffle that I possibly could. And I just knew in my mind, it's like, hey, man, the sneaker gods are gonna bless me with, a retail dub on both of them.
You want it to be one way, but it's the other way.
Yeah, not so much. These things is out of control. And you know what? We not even gonna waste no more time, man. We just gonna get to it.
Let's bang out.
The box, SB has changed up their styles right here. Gone are the days of the rainbow color box, if you will. They got the sail box now with the Nike SB, kind of like that was on the SB4s that I reviewed a little bit earlier. Go check that video out if you haven't. As the box reads, SB Dunk High QS Quick Strike. These ain't never coming back. And it is active pink, black, and that is the color. And bam. First impressions about this box.
And that's looking very fresh. Very fresh.
Absolutely cold. Like, I mean, come on, y'all. Like, I don't even know what to tell you. But we're gonna figure it out as we continue on. All right, so let's go ahead and put one of them down because these do have a ton of details. The first thing you're gonna see is obviously the texturing, right? This is like a pony hair in that active pink.
He was a beautiful pony, and I loved him.
And it is ridiculously soft. On the Nike Check, it's a jeweled swoosh, similar to the Run the Jewels logo, which, by the way, on the lace dubras, you can see we have the fist and the gun pointing at each other. Now, that is like a super hit right there. Still the active pink, but it has the yellow hit to match that yellow tag on the back. Top down, you can see we got Nike SB. Another cool thing, it came with 3 extra laces. We got a green one, we got a yellow one, I guess, to match the tag. And we have this gray one. Now, I like the pink laces, but yeah, we are gonna switch to these grays because I think it's really gonna pop off the midsole right here. Run the Jewels logo right there, right? But the cool thing and the reason why I took it out is because what's on the back, the little hidden details. Here we have Jamily 2010 420, which is LP, who is the other member of Run the Jewels. Him and his wife Emily, his name is Jamie. That is their wedding anniversary, 420. Right, and on the other one, HBD Mike, or Happy Birthday Mike, which Killer Mike's birthday is on 420. Inside of the wings, we had to Run the Jewels, another little hidden detail. Also came with a second set of lace through braids. These ones are black, right? You can see right there, little stash pocket. This is a killer pair. These will turn heads when you put them on. Second pair. Box the same. Got Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Deep Royal Blue and Active Pink. And these, first impression, I'm gonna start with the bottom where it has Run the Jewels going across, you know, the sole here. Really dope hit. Gold SB Nike to match the gold on the back. You can see the extra laces hanging out of it right here. We have blue and another blue, basically laces to match all the colors of blue here. The materials on this is crazy. We got a really good hairy suede going on right here. A nubuck across the toe box, and that pink swoosh really sets off the entire, you know, sneaker. And yeah, this is definitely a cold piece right here, and I can see why everybody wanted them. Now, as far as the drip forecast goes, listen here. You're talking about torrential downpours. All right. As a matter of fact, if you can, stay inside on the days that these are out. Thumbnail cam. All right. So check me out, y'all. Absolutely appreciate every pair of eyes watching, every pair of ears listening. Super excited that I was able to secure both of these pairs and put them in my collection. Listen, y'all, we have more stuff on the way. I got a couple of special guests coming, you know what I'm saying, coming through, you know, to help me out with some of these videos. I got some real dope stuff planned. So as I mentioned earlier, man, we're just about to cross 100. Milestone Mafia, man, let's go ahead and get this done, you know, like, you know, ASAP. All right, we need it done yesterday.
You acting like y'all on sundown. Y'all need to be on stopwatch.
So once again, I'm gonna ask you again, if you messing with me, go ahead and like, you know what I'm saying? If you really want to get down, subscribe. All right, I'm here for you, you know what I'm saying, to comment and respond. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Were you able to secure one pair, two pairs? You know what I'm saying? Did you get them for retail? Did you have to go the resale route? Like, I mean, tell me your story about it, though. Listen, man, we're going to go ahead and catch out right quick. Y'all stay blessed, highly favored. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to say 10 fingers and 10 toes down, and we're going to be out of here. All right? Peace.
Sayonara. Who's the master? Show up! Who's the master?
All right, you already know how we do, man. We're going to take a little closer look at these just in case I ain't doing it justice at hand. Tell me if you like the lace swap and the Dubray swap.
A5, bring the heat.